Redding Plastics is a small family-owned company that specializes in precision-engineered plastic parts. They are located in Redding and employ 30 people. They fabricate plastics for the U.S. military, major metro transit systems, and telecom operators.
Why is manufacturing plastics important?
It's dear to my heart that we actually produce good quality products here in the United States that are made by quality people here, and try to promote jobs and a healthy economy.
So what does this machine do to the part?
Well, we take the part from a cylinder and we put all these slots in it here. And we put these holes in and we put these radius on, and that's called a 3D milling operation. You'll see that in a minute. And then we have to measure every part and make sure that our dimensions are right, which are here to this print.
So what is the purpose of inspection?
The purpose of inspection is to make sure that we are going to meet the customer requirements in the part that they're asking us to make. So I make sure that all the dimensions are correct, all the surface finishes are good that the customer needs, and once I approve it, then they're allowed to run it in the machine shop.
Why is manufacturing plastics important?
I think manufacturing as a whole is extremely important. At the company, and actually the country, was built on manufacturing, and we've kind of lost sight of that, and we're trying to reinforce that manufacturing is very cool. It's fun to watch a raw material be made into a part.
We learned a lot about what's so cool about manufacturing at Redding Plastics.